guess this is a new art form which resembles many other art forms. I call it piano punk, because punk is all about doing what you want, and this is what I want, to just do what I want, when I want, where I want, how I want. And so many find this mentality to be problematic, but I promise that I'm not one of those that's gotta make everything so dramatic, dramatic. Can't stand them. Wish they'd reconsider suicide. I wish a lot of people would reconsider suicide, or maybe strongly consider suicide. Luckily, there are these devices that make it easier for one to kill themselves. Luckily, there is mystery medicine in quotations that makes it easier for one to kill themselves. And so it's a blessing in disguise, 'cause I despise all the sheep with fiery passion, even though I shouldn't, and I pray for redemption. I pray so that I don't have this level of animosity, but if I were to be completely and totally, utterly, prophetically honest, I don't really feel sorry for them. I wish that more people would listen to stuff that's inconvenient. If that were the case, we wouldn't be here in this horrible place. But people, they need their conveniences. And people, they can't stand their petty grievances. Like waiting in line, like taking the time to do something that would make logical sense. A lot of people don't have time for that. Well, Amy Gross has time for that. And I don't want to think that I'm a better person or I'm a saint. Yeah, I don't want to think that I'm the best person that's ever existed or some other arrogant bullshit like that. But I can't help but put myself on some kind of pedestal, because I know why I'm on that pedestal. It is God that put me there. It is God that put me there. God is the reason that I'm there, because I do His will. Yeah, I do His will, and I know that it's His will because I'm comfortable. And people get mad at me for it, and people yell at me for it. That's the sound of God's will.